What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Dalen the GOAT, and I am back at it with another video. I know it's been a minute, but today we have an unboxing. I know it's been a minute, but we getting back to it. No cap. I had to get a job. Nonetheless, we finna get into this unboxing video. Hit the like, comment, subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? We're going up on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're at about 800 plus right now, so make sure you go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share it to your friends. We getting this thing back started. No, all right, you already know what's going on today. You know the vibes already. Don't worry, after I get paid this week, I'm going to buy another one. So this might be the last couple times y'all seeing this pink apple punch. It might be going in the background. I don't know. Let's get this thing crack-a-lacking. For real. Keep in mind, this like, what? It's like 12:36 right now, Mississippi time, Central. Just got off work not too long ago, finished some homework. We getting straight back to it. All right, we getting into the fitted of the day. As y'all can see, we got one of the best hats out of the Cyclone collection. Ooh, you see it, no cap. We got the Cyclone Diamondbacks. Inaugural season patch and pin work. We got Fitted Till Infinity and Bubba. But check this out though. Bubba Brims. So that's not cold. Y'all already know. Royal blue bottom, white sweatband. What's that? Yeah. Flat batter man. Super slept on collection. This one finna be one of those collections that they go back to like months later, like the Sweethearts, Pink Martini, Red Bottoms. Don't sleep on these hats, bro. I know like people be like, they be like, oh, it's mid club. Like, come on, bro. Some of these be hard. And this collection I'm about to show y'all today, they did the same thing. Just wait, though. I got the most heat out the collection, though. But just wait. Y'all gonna go back, double back. Y'all gonna try to get that hat. It's gonna be gone. It's gonna be like $350 on grill. And what was I about to say? And eBay. I'm not editing that out. I said what I said, raw, uncut. Don't sleep. Get it the first time you see it. Because your first mind be your best mind. You go back and it's gone, you gonna regret it. But let's get back in. We got all that out the way. Now let's get into the unboxing. We got our trusty box cutter. I'm gonna get a new one of them too. Let's get straight into it. Got our paper clip. Not our paper clip, but our paper. You feel me? I looked at this hat and I thought they sent the wrong one. I was about to say, I thought they sent me the Toronto Blue Jays. Get that out the way. Without further ado, bam. I know what you're thinking. So they don't look like the Magic Treehouse pack from my fitties. So it don't. Come on now. Anyway, we got the let me stop. We got the Marlins. Florida Marlins. I was about to say Miami, y'all. It's like 1 o'clock. I'm tired. But check her out. It's like a tannish UV. Tannish lime UV with a black sweatband. What's that? 25-year anniversary. Yep, 25. 25th anniversary patch. I haven't seen this patch yet. I haven't had a hat with this. And check out that metallic green. It's currently Valentine's Day. I'm surprised they didn't like do a Valentine collection of anything. This would be my Valentine's gift for myself. I love them hit some metallic greens. This is a nice Croc collection for real. Man. Like, as we know, HatClub is kind of killing it with the pens lately. They try to give us one with everything. I'm happy that they do this, because like I used to wish that HatClub did a special pen with every collection. Like this one. This would have went crazy with his own pen. But check this out. Crazy. And then the cardboard even got its own design. This is the Crocodile Collection pen. This is so heat, bro. This is so. Let's get this thing ready to wear. So being that it is about 1 o'clock, 1:10 to be exact, we gonna do it the little simple way. Always use the speaker method, hashtag the water bottle method. I take my, what, do I have my water bottle? Nope. So we're gonna take this and then we're gonna put it on here. So the mold and hold method. So we're gonna take it, and this is what I call the mold and hold, because you just put it around there and then we hold for about 30 seconds. Okay, so this is currently a whole nother day. I woke up straight in the morning just to finish it because I fell asleep while my battery was charging. So it's gonna look a little brighter in here. So basically, after you're done molding and holding, you're gonna be left with this. Man, this is a nice hat though. You know I got a whole bunch of green hats in my Duffy. This is one of my favorite ones. I put the pins on there too, save some time, you know. For some reason my SD card full. This video gonna be a little short. Check that crocodile pen out. Dang, you won't even focus. I bet it's gonna focus. Fine. Check it out. Got a Fitted Till Infinity pen. I wonder if it'll let me. I don't know why it's not focusing. But yeah. A dope hat. Now I gotta put it on. Gotta put it on for the people. It feels so good. I love when they, yeah, I love when the hats come from China. Both of these were made, actually, oops, never mind. I don't know, it depends. Because both of these fit. I know the China ones fit a little bigger. This is a Bangladesh, this is a China. But my cereal pack is from China and it fits, not China, but Bangladesh, and it fits so tight. Like, I don't know what's wrong with those. And what else fits tight on it? That's like the only HatClub hat that fits tight on me is that cereal pack. I really don't like that because that's one of my favorite hats. But man, this is a dope hat. For real. Nope. But y'all, this has been another dope unboxing and review by your boy Dalen the GOAT. I'm still getting my room situated to where I can do full fit videos when I unbox the hats. So after I unbox and review the hats, then I'm going to put on the fit for the hat. So I'm still getting my room together. It's a little junky. I'm still rearranging some things, trying to do it over there by my shoe wall. But without all this stuff going said, you know what I'm saying, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share. We on the road to 1,000. When we hit 1,000, I'm doing a fitted giveaway. So make sure y'all tap in for real. Make sure y'all tap in. We got a whole bunch of heat coming. Just make sure y'all go ahead and support. Go ahead and drop a comment, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share. And this is your boy Dalen the GOAT. Without further ado, peace.